Hello everyone. Today we are going to describe a beautiful picture. It is a rainy day scene. Let's look at the picture step by step. It is a rainy day. We can see dark clouds in the sky. Raindrops are falling everywhere. Two children are in the front. The girl is wearing a yellow raincoat. The boy is wearing a red raincoat. Both children are laughing and running. They are jumping in a puddle and splashing water. There is a small dog beside the children. The dog is wearing a yellow raincoat. It is also walking happily in the rain. On the left side, a woman is walking with a red umbrella. She is smiling and talking on her phone. She is wearing a brown coat and boots. On the right side, a man is walking with a blue umbrella. He is wearing a blue suit and carrying a briefcase. It looks like he is going to work. There are two houses behind the people. The houses are yellow with red roofs. There are many green trees around the houses. Behind the houses, there is a blue water tower. Everyone seems happy even though it is raining. The place looks peaceful and colorful. It is a cheerful rainy day. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.